Have you ever been stuck on how to join MuffinSMP? Well, in this video, I'm going to be covering it for you. But I'm also going to be covering a couple questions. So let's get into those questions. Question number 1. Why does the MuffinSMP have mods? Well, these mods are kind of the supportings of the structure, aka the server. Question number 2. What is MuffinSMP and what's it about? Well, good question, sir. The MuffinSMP is based about my notorious, well-known being of the admin abuses I've been doing in the past. That's why many of you guys left. So I decided to put my admin abusing to something good. Many of you want to be featured in a video, right? You want yourself, your Minecraft character, to be featured in a video and be the main character pretty much. Well, don't worry about a single thing, because if you join my server, you will be put into a video. You might be wondering what types of videos. Well, because I'm so good at admin abusing, I thought it'd be a fun idea to put that to good. Many of you guys probably know about this YouTuber put it on the screen right now. Well, I decided to try the same thing. But instead of YouTuber only SMP, I decided to put public people instead. So anyone could join and get featured in a video. Now that we got the questions answered, let's actually get started into how to join. First thing you want to do is go ahead and open up a new tab in Google here. Now, if you already have CurseForge, skip to this point in the video, please. Now, if you don't, stay right here and I'll teach you everything you need to know. First things first, go to curseforge.com and then you want to get the CurseForge app and just download whatever one you need, or if you're on different types of whatever, I don't give a crap, just download it. Now, it's pretty self-explanatory from here, but I'm not going to re-download it. Now, for those of you that already had the CurseForge or just downloaded it, go ahead and join my Discord server. Once you're there, you're going to want to go ahead and scroll down to this mod pack and more, and then go to the server mod pack. Once you're here, you're going to see this. Just go ahead and click this download. Potentially dangerous download. Don't worry about that. I would definitely not give you viruses. Actually, on that, you're going to go ahead and search up CurseForge on your desktop. Once you're there, just click import and choose .zip file. Then go ahead to go to downloads and just click this one right here and click open. Now you're gonna see probably this, and it's completely okay. Just click this right here and just click all files. Give it a while because it's gonna take a little bit. Now when you actually do that, just click play and you'll be brought to Minecraft. Now if you have any trouble within this video, please don't hesitate to go to report a bug and just start spamming stuff here. I'll help you immediately. Continuing back to this, go ahead, click multiplayer. Do not show the screen again, or if you want to keep seeing the screen. Click proceed, add server, and go ahead and type this IP, which is in the description. Now don't worry, this IP will be changed soon, I swear. And just click done. Just like that, you were set up. Now, I'm literally not going to explain more than this because I already explained from the question from earlier. But if you do need help or you still have more questions, go ahead and ping me in Discord and I'll answer it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you guys join up.